Hi everyone, it's Robert with Advanced Diagnostics. Today we're going to be programming a 2017 Dodge Promaster City. It has a keyed ignition, and we're going to be programming a key like this with a 46 chip in it. We're using the Smart Pro. We selected Dodge Promaster City 15 to 16, and we're going to go and we're going to select Program Immobilizer. Hit Connect. We have the Smart Aerial connected to the Smart Pro to do the pre-coding. Switch ignition on. Okay, our dash is on. Start comms failed. Let's do it again. Okay guys, this is the 2017 Dodge Promaster. The reason that we failed on this vehicle with the Smart Pro is because of the BCM being locked. Somebody came out with a coat hanger and tried to open the vehicle before my arrival, and they locked the BCM up on it. So it's going to have to go to the dealer in this case and have it replaced. So that's the follow-up to the video, and thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.